Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about integration, especially that's about integration by substitution. So this is the topic today. So now, question number 1, we can use about integration by substitution. So in this situation, I can put about u equals to 1 plus 6x. That should be from here. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, first derivative of number 1, this is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. First derivative of x, we have number 1, so we can put about number 6 dx. Now we need to change 1 plus 6x, we change by u, so we have u to the power of 4. 6 dx, we have this one, we change by du, and we have the integration. So we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du, we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c in here. Now we can apply the formula in here, and we have u to the power of 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1, and then I will put about c in here. Now we simplify. 4 plus 1, we have number 5, and number 5 in here. About u, that is about 1 plus 6x. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. Now let's go to the next one. We use the same integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 1 minus s squared. Now if we do first derivative for the both sides, this one you got about 0. S squared, we have negative 2x dx. But we don't have negative number 2 next to x. So we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. Now we need to change 1 minus s squared, we change by u. S dx, we change by du over negative number 2. So this one we can put into u to the power of negative number 3 du, because if we want to put on numerator, we need to put the negative sign next to the power number 3 in here. That's why we have negative number 3. Next, we apply the same formula. That's about u to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1, and I will put about c. So negative number 3 plus 1, we have negative number 2. This one we have negative number 2. Negative number 2, negative number 2, we have positive number 4. I will put 1 over u squared in here. about u, that is about 1 minus s squared. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the next one. We use the same integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 25 minus s squared. So we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s. Now this one 25 minus s squared we change by u. So we have the square root of u. Negative 2x ds we change by du. So the square root, that is about u to the power of 1 over 2. And we apply the same formula in here. So this one, we have u to the power of 3 over 2. This one we have 3 over 2. And I will put about c. About u, that is about 25 minus s squared. And this is the final answer. The next one, we can use about u equals to 1 plus x to the power of 3. So we do first derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant. This one we have 3s squared ds. Because we don't have number 3, so we divide both sides by number 3. This one we change by u, so we have u squared. This one s squared ds we change by du over number 3. And now we can put into 1 over 3, and we have the integrations u to the power of negative number 2 du. And now we have the final answer. So this one we have negative number 1. This one we have negative number 1. So we have negative 1 over 3. And we have 1 over u. About u, that is about 1 plus x to the power of 3. Now let's go to the next one. We can use about u equals to bs. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have b ds. This one we have sine u. b ds we change by du. The integration of this one, we have negative cosine u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about bs. And this is the answer for the question. Now let's go to the next one. I will put about u equals to cotang x. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative cosecant of s squared dx. Because we don't have negative sign, so I will put negative go to the left, and we have negative du equals to cosecant of s squared dx. Cotang x we change by u, and we have u to the power of 3. This one cosecant of s squared dx in here, we change by negative du. And this one we have negative the integration u to the power of negative number 3 du. And now we have the final answer. So this one we have u to the power of negative number 2 over negative number 2. Negative, negative, we simplify. This one I will put about 1 over u squared plus c. About u, that is about cotang x. Next, about sine 4x, we can put about u equal to 4x. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 4 dx. Because we don't have number 4 next to dx, so we divide both sides by number 4. This one 4x we change by u, or there's no ds in here, sorry. So we have sine u dx we change by du over number 4. The integration of sine u, we have negative cosine u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about 4x. Next, this one we have the formula in here, so we need to change cotang s squared into cosecant of s squared minus 1. Now we change this one into this one. So the integration of cosecant of s squared, we have negative cotang s. Number 1, that's about s, and I will put about c. Now let's go to the next one. In this situation, I will put about u equal to 1 over theta. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have negative 1 over theta squared d theta. Because we don't have negative sign next to 1 over theta squared, so I will put the negative go to the left. So we have negative du equals to 1 over theta squared d theta. So 1 over theta we change by u. 1 over theta squared d theta we change by negative du. The integration of cosine u we have sine u. About u, that is about 1 over theta. Now let's go to the next one. We put about u equal to sine 2x. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have 2 cosine 2x dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. So sine 2x we change by u. Cosine 2x dx we change by du over number 2. The integration of u, we have u squared over 2, and I will put about c. Number 2 and number 2, we have 1 over 4. About u, that is about sine 2x. And this is the final answer. Next, about this one, I will put about u equal to secant 1 minus s. If we do first the derivative, this one, we have negative because we have the negative sign next to s. That's why we have the negative in here. Secant of 1 minus s tan 1 minus s dx. That should be like this. So because we don't have the negative sign, so we put the negative go to the left. And now this one in here, we change by negative du. And this one we have u. About u, that is about secant of 1 minus s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.